How to add a color widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the App Store on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar in the bottom right corner and type in Color Widgets. Select the Color Widgets application from the search results. Once installed, tap on Open to launch the application. You can now browse through the various widget designs available. Tap on a widget you'd like to use to start customizing it. On this screen, you can change the background, theme, and font to your desire. When you are done with your design, tap on Set Wedge to save it. Next, go back to your home screen. Press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. Here, scroll down the list of applications to find and select Color Widgets. Choose your preferred size and tap on Add Widget. Now, drag and place the widget anywhere on your home screen. You will be able to view the new color widget. Tap on Done at the top right corner to save the new layout. Following these steps, you can easily add a color widget on an iPhone.